Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can download TikTok videos without watermark. So first of all you have to open your TikTok application and select video which you want to download without watermark. So I will select the video which I want to download without watermark. So I want to download this video without watermark. So now you have to click on share button. Okay, after clicking share button, now you have to click on copy link button. You can see here copy link button. Okay, so click on this copy link button to copy the link of this video. Okay, so I have copied video link. Now you have to open your Chrome browser and search for a website which is triple s tick.io. Okay, the search for triple s tick.io. This is the website to you can download TikTok videos without watermark. Okay, so I will open this website and now you have to paste copied link here. Okay, so I will paste here. Now you have to click on download button. Okay, after clicking download button you will see this type of interface. Now you have to click on without watermark button. Okay, click on this button. Now you will see this type of interface and our video is downloaded successfully. Okay, so I will open video and you can see that our video is downloaded without any watermark. So by using this way you can download TikTok videos without any watermark. So I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.